Stuck with a generic placeholder image on your Namecheap testimonial, right? That default silhouette just doesn't do your client justice. Here's exactly how to upload their real photo in under 60 seconds. No guesswork, no digging through confusing menus. So here's the plan. We are going to open your site editor, click on the testimonial block, upload the image, and then publish it live. I will walk you through every single click, step by step. All right, let us start by opening your site in the Namecheap website builder. Now, if you are anything like me, you probably have this open in another tab already. Go ahead and log into your Namecheap account, find your project, and click that Edit button to open the builder interface. We need to be inside the editor where you can see your whole page laid out in front of you. This is your command center, and from here, everything is just a click away. Now, click on the testimonial block you want to edit. Look for the section on your page that says Testimonial 1 or something similar. Just click directly on that block. You will know you have selected it because a toolbar or a settings panel should pop up around it. This is the part where you get to make it personal. Instead of leaving that generic gray circle, we are about to swap it for your client's actual face, which instantly makes your site feel way more trustworthy. Inside the testimonial settings, find and click the Upload Image button. It's usually pretty obvious once you have the block selected. You might see an icon that looks like a camera or a picture, or it might just say Upload an Image. Click that. This tells the builder that you are ready to replace the placeholder with something real. In my experience, this is the step people get nervous about. But trust me, the hard part is over. Now, select the client photo from your computer files. Your file browser should pop up automatically. Navigate to wherever you keep your images. Select the photo you want and click Open. If you have not already, I recommend using a square or a close-up headshot. It just looks cleaner in that small circular space. Give it a second to load up into the editor. You might see a screen to crop or reposition the photo if it is not perfectly centered. This is your chance to frame it exactly how you want. Grab the image and drag it around, or use the handles to zoom in if you need to. The goal here is to make sure your client's face is in the frame nicely. No one wants a testimonial photo where the subject is cut off at the forehead. Once you are happy with how it looks, click Continue or Save to apply the image. The editor will process it and slot it right into that testimonial block. You should see your new photo sitting there looking all professional. Take a second to admire the difference. It is a small change, but honestly, it makes your entire page feel more legitimate. Finally, publish your site to make the change live. Do not forget this step. I have done this 100 times, where I make a tweak and then walk away thinking it is live, but it is not. Look for the Publish button, usually in the top right corner. Click it and wait for the confirmation. Once you see that success message, you are done. And that is it. You went from a boring placeholder to a real trust-building testimonial page. Your clients are going to love seeing their faces up there, and your visitors are going to see that you work with real people. If this helped, drop a comment and let me know how it went. I will catch you in the next one.